this session we will learn about configure the VS Code. So this is our new session, and in this session I will show you how to configure these all things. So suppose here you can see I already talk about these all options, right? So this is like as a sidebar, activity bar, status bar, and you can see here editor, right? So if you wondering about like I need this sidebar or activity bar in the right side, so how to do that? We can do that in 3 ways: using command palette, as well using settings, and JSON file. These all 3 steps we have to configure this kind of activity bar, sidebar. Okay, so let's get started. So here, just if you want to hide this sidebar, here you can see sidebar, right? So you can hide with the help of, I already talk about this shortcuts, Control B in window. So just you can press Control B, now it goes up. Again, if you need this one, so again you have to press Control B, now it's come here. So this is like sidebar. If you need this sidebar in the right side, you can see by default is a left side. If you need in the right side, so you can change it. So how to do that? Just we can go in this command palette and just you have to search like toggle. Once you search toggle, now you can see lots of options. So where it is our sidebar, just you have to search toggle sidebar. Now you can see sidebar position. So just click on this sidebar position. So it's automatically here you can see in the right side, right? So you can make it this editor fully configuration or customization based on your need, right? And also you can hide this sidebar as well here. Control B, now it goes up. If you need again Control B, now it's come up, right? So this is like we can configure sidebar as well. So I don't want to show and I don't need this activity bar here. So how to hide it? So we can do with the help of command palette, Control Shift P, and just you have to search toggle and activity. Here you can see toggle activity bar visibility. So just select this command, now it's automatic goes up. If you don't need this sidebar as well, so you can press Control B, now it's goes up everything. Okay, if you need again come back these things, now you have to press Control B, now our sidebar is coming. Again, if you need that activity bar, same thing, you can press Control Shift P, and again you have to do like toggle activity bar visibility. So now you can see it's automatic comes here, right? So it's easy to understand, because if you have large amount of files or data, or we can say that any class, Apex class, or any project you are working on, so this is the very good features. You can hide it and you can work accordingly, right? So now I will show you these features again with the help of settings. So how to do that? You know, just click on this file preferences and the setting. This is the option. So just select this setting, and now you have to search here, that is called sidebar. So once you search this sidebar, now you can see by default is a right, because we already configure this right. If you need to change this right to left, so you can change it. Here you can see the left. Once you select it, now it's automatic comes in the left side. You can configure each and everything here, right? So only for user setting, this is the global setting, and this is the workspace, you know, project based configure. So just you have to select this user and you can change this options, and you will be see this kind of configure here. Suppose I need to be set this activity bar as well. So how to do that? Just you have to search here like activity. Once you search this activity, now you can see activity bar visible. So just you have to uncheck it and it's automatic hide it. So how to do that? Just uncheck it, now it's automatic goes up, right? If you need again, just you have to select it, and this is the second way to hide it and show it. Same thing you can apply for rest of the things. Let's say I don't want to take this status bar, so how to hide it, this status bar, this blue line? So just Control Shift P and just search toggle status bar visibility. Just select this command and it's automatic goes up, right? If you need again, just Control Shift P, and again you have to search here like toggle status bar visibility. Just press this one. Now it's automatic comes here. You can observe in the bottom, right? So this is the second way. Another way, using JSON file. How to do that? So with the help of JSON we can do that, these things. So how to open the JSON file? First of all, you have to open your setting. Under this setting, in the right top corner you can see the small icon that is called open setting JSON. Just click on this open setting JSON, and here you can see lots of configuration, right? So I already configured these things. Now you can see here, let's say if you need this kind of setting with the help of JSON, you can do that as well, everything. So just again you have to press Ctrl Shift P. Let's say I don't want to take other option, so I can take only this one, that is called primary sidebar position. So now in the bottom you can see one command automatic added here, workbench.sidebar.location is right, because you can see this sidebar is right automatically here. If you need to move left, so just you have to change it right to left like this. So once you write this, now it's automatic left here, right? Same thing you can apply for activity bar as well. So how to do that? Control Shift P and just search activity bar visible. Now you can see workbench.activitybar.visible is false right now. If you need like activity bar, so just you have to change it false to true. Once you change it, now it's automatic comes here in the left panel, right? So this is sidebar and activity bar. If you need another things, let's say this status bar, okay, so how to do that? Same thing you can apply. Let's say first of all, let me toggle this status bar. Let's say it's automatic hide it, right? In the bottom you can see it's the automatic edit one command here, right? That is called workbench.statusbar.visible. So you have to change it, let's say true here, and now once you make it as a true, in the bottom you can see the status bar. If you don't want to take it, so just you can revert it, now false, so it's automatic goes up, right? So this is like some setting under the VS Code. Also you can hide this minimap as well. So I already hide it. Let me do that one thing for you. You have to search minimap. So here you can see this small window that is called minimap. Okay, so if you need to hide it because you are a developer and you don't need any kind of like spaces between your code, so you can hide it and show it based on your need, right? So for now let me hide it. So how to do that? Under here you have to search, or you can do that one thing again, Control Shift P and toggle minimap. Now you can hide it and you can show it based on your need. Let's see this one, right? So you can hide, you can show this minimap based on your need. Let's say I want to make it as a breadcrumb in the top. So suppose that right now I'm in let's say this Force app. Under the Force app I have lots of classes. Let's say this account controller. Under this account controller, here you can see this code, right? So in the top you can see the editor bar. These all editors, right? So suppose that if you need something about like I don't want to take, or I want to take some breadcrumbs in the top, so you can do that. So Control Shift P and search breadcrumbs. So in the top you can see force, main, default, class, and then class name. So this is the directory. So you can move directly from here as well. Suppose I want to go in the default, so just click on this default, and under the default you have to see all the things here in a single screen. If you don't want this option, so again you have to toggle it like this one, it goes up. That's all in this session. I will see you in the next one.